Welcome to your dream lake home escape. Ideal as a vacation rental, full-time sanctuary, or a weekend retreat, this is the place for you. Hi, I'm Ron Dodge with RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks and Ron Dodge Real Estate Group. Come on, let's go take a look. This beautifully updated condo offers panoramic, unobstructed views of the shimmering Lake of the Ozarks. The moment you walk through the door, just endless water and sky. With elevator access, comfort and convenience are always at your fingertips. Located in the sought-after cove at the 31-mile marker, surrounded by luxury homes, you're a short boat ride to Fishing Company and minutes from Bridal Cave, dining, shopping, and the Ozarks Amphitheater. Whether you're chasing adventure or tranquility, this location delivers both. Step onto your expansive private deck, perfect for sunrise coffee or sunset cocktails, all with front row seats to lake life. Just steps away, your boat awaits, and the community sparkling pool adds a resort-style bonus. With top-tier amenities, unbelievable views, and great potential rental income, this is the place for you. Lake life is calling. Are you ready to answer? Give me a call for your own private showing.